Hey YouTubers, this video is going to be a bunch of vegan quickies. We're going to start out with lasagna. Found this sauce at Aldi's. It's vegan. Tried it, was really good, but haven't seen it there since in the aisle of shame, as I call it. Here's the ingredients if you want to check them out. Then of course you're going to need cheese. That is tofu we're going to turn into ricotta. You blend it around. You're also going to need mozzarella, so that's some fake mozzarella. Blend it all together. Turns out like that, and it's really good. We used Impossible sausage as well as Impossible hamburger, and we added pretty standard seasonings along with a can of tomato puree, cooked up the noodles, and then started the whole layering process. I'm telling you, this turned out really good. Really good. That's what it looks like towards the end. Lasagna is not really complicated. This was another cheese sauce that was made, not by me, that we put over the top of it. We made another small batch with yellow lentil lasagna noodles. You didn't have to cook these ones first. You can put them in dry. And we slathered that up with the good stuff too, and made the layers and the whole thing, just like the other one. Set the oven at 350. Put them in there for maybe 20-25 minutes or so. Fly over. Vegan lasagna. And this one is made with lentil lasagna. There you go. Gonna eat it next. Looks pretty good. Seriously, this was really easy and really good. Alright, YouTubers, we're gonna see this flyover first. Looks pretty good. Both kinds. All vegan. That is the regular one. Again, this had Impossible meats, beef and sausage.
Not too bad, eh?
That's pretty darn good. Let's try the lentil one. Full disclosure, I may have chopped up a couple things, but this whole video I can't take any credit for. It wasn't me. Looky. That's good too. I prefer that one, but the lentil one is good too. Alright, you can make vegan lasagna, and you know what? You'll have a great and wonderful day. To the cat fans, I know I haven't showed Vinny for a while. He's doing well, and here he is real quick. Give me the banana. Get the banana. Have the banana. Catnip is a powerful drug. Right, Vin? Don't get too hopped up on that stuff. Here's another really good, quick vegan meal. Tell the people what this is.
This is a crispy farro salad.
What's in it?
This is farro. It's a grain from Italy.
Oh.
It's cooked and then it's roasted in the oven after it's cooked to make it kind of crispy like a corn nut.
What's that paste down there?
This is a walnut cream.
A walnut cream.
Mm-hmm.
And that is tempeh.
That is tempeh.
And there's some
rabbit
rabbit food in there.
Yeah, there's rabbit food.
No, I didn't have to take credit for cooking it.
You
I did a fantastic job.
You did.
Alright, I'm going to take a bite of this. YouTubers are going to get the real reaction. Oh my god, that's terrible. Oh, that's good. I'm doing tempeh with some of that walnut sauce on it. Alright, that's good. You can eat this. Have a great, wonderful day. This is a breakfast bagel with vegan cheese, just egg, Impossible sausage, and you dip it into maple syrup, and it's really good. Look at that. Really good. Here's an extra healthy vegan. Alright, YouTubers, this might be a meal that many of you that aren't vegan think this is what all vegans eat all the time. It's not, but that's a collard green. On the bottom it has green curry tahini sauce, and then some cucumber, carrots, yellow pepper, beets. Just put some sauerkraut on there, And then on the top, you put some lettuce, and it's really tasty. There'll be a link in the description. There goes some lettuce on. And again, I had almost nothing to do with this other than the eating part of it. I don't even think I could do this rolling up nicely. A little package for you. And yeah, it's really good.
Oh, yeah.
If you get to Wisconsin or the Yup, you should try this. It's a local thing called a Kringle. It's like a Danish, but it's not vegan, but it's good. Back to the vegan stuff. Here's a really good Asian soup.
Okay, we got soup here. What kind of soup we got? Yeah.
Hope you heard that because I can't pronounce it.
It's got mushrooms, fancy mushrooms.
You can tell them what it is.
Well, tell me.
It's Korean soup.
What's in it?
Sundubu tofu, which is we should have taken a picture of it.
It's okay.
You can. It's a soft tofu that comes in a tube.
Okay, what else is in there? Zucchini, you added some zucchini.
Yes.
Some mushrooms. Are those portobellas?
Yes. And
Trumpet.
Oyster mushrooms.
Oyster mushrooms. What else do I see in there?
Baby bok choy.
Looks good. I'm gonna eat it. Ooh,
It's spicy.
I like.
Here's great soup number 2 with tofu and good veggies. And this is Salisbury Steak, and it is fantastic. It was one of my favorites. It really does come out tasting pretty much like meat. Got some green beans in there and some mashed potatoes. Now this is one of my favorites. This is a chocolate upside down flan cake that, it's just fantastic. We gave it to some non-vegans and they couldn't believe how good it was. And I like it because I like caramel. And you coat this in a wonderful homemade vegan caramel that is fantastic. Wait till you see. There's the caramel cooking up. There's cooking up more. Oh, can you just taste this? Look at that. I'll put the recipe in the description. It is truly fantastic, decadent, and you wouldn't know it's non-vegan. This is a highlight of it. This noodle dish has soy curls and a bunch of vegetables, and it is awesome. Vegan stuff, don't sleep on it. Okay, here you go with another one. This is a really good meatloaf. It's surprising. The texture came out really good. It had good meatloaf chew. Look at that. Got a little bark on it as well. Mashed potatoes with mushroom gravy over it. Fly over. Look at that. That's good stuff. Really, really good stuff. I highly recommend. I'll see if I can find a recipe for you. Eat this. You'll like it. Vegan food might not make you live longer, but it makes me feel better. It's good for the planet, and you'll have a great and wonderful day.